This is the beautiful city of Ninth Mile. Ninth Mile is in Udi, local government of Enugu State, Nigeria. Like you can see, it is a busy hub of activities, and this is because Ninth Mile houses some of the biggest industries, factories and companies right here in Enugu State. One of which is the Nigerian Brewery. This is a world-class state-of-the-art facility sitting right here in a very large expanse of land here in Ninth Mile. Nigerian Breweries, otherwise called Ama Breweries, is one of the biggest breweries currently in Nigeria and is sitting pretty right here in Ninth Mile with different facilities as well as lots of workers. Just across from the express is the 7-Up bottling company. Like you can see, this is 7-Up. 7-Up are the makers of Pepsi, Aquafina and a lot other soft drinks. This is the second largest users of soft drinks currently in Nigeria. You can see how they sit side by side right here in Ninth Mile. Now there are other beautiful edifices, and one of which again is the Coca-Cola. This is Nigerian bottling company, seated pretty right here as well in Ninth Mile city. You can see this is why Ninth Mile is the envy of most other cities around Enugu State, barely 25 minutes away from the Enugu main town. Now these are just a few of the factories and industries around Ninth Mile. Now these are just a few of the big factories and businesses around Ninth Mile. There are way other logistics companies, there are other manufacturing companies. They are all seated right here in Ninth Mile. That's because of the friendly nature of this environment as well as water. Yes, Ninth Mile has a lot of water. The Lion Business Park, situated right here in Ninth Mile. Lion Business Park is currently one of the biggest hubs for manufacturing in Enugu. It's an industrial operational hub and also a free trade zone, which was commissioned just a few years ago right here in Ninth Mile. Where else in Enugu would you like to invest other than Ninth Mile? I am sure that by now you are looking to invest within this environment. Like a wise man once said, look for where people are going to, get there before them and buy properties. Ninth Mile is one of those places that is fast developed, and like you can see, there are a lot of developmental projects within the environment, and this is why we as a business have taken time to look for some of the best deals within this environment. And right here at Enugu-Eke, a town called Enugu-Eke, just same location where the Ama Breweries is, we have found an amazing piece of property, TheLux Gardens Estate. This particular estate sits pretty right here, 5 minutes away from Ama Breweries, 1 minute away from Ugwu Dinso, in a fast developing environment. There are a few buildings just around TheLux Garden Estate. So we're right here today at the proposed TheLux Gardens Estate right here in Ninth Mile, Enugu-Eke precisely. This particular estate shares boundary with the Lion Business Park over there, and it's about 5 minutes drive to Nigerian Brewery. You can see there are some buildings, some people live in the environment, all the beacons are right on ground. And this place is selling for a pre-launch price of 2.5 million naira, all inclusive. This is one of the fastest developing areas currently in Enugu. I'm talking about Ninth Mile, because of the industrial sites within Ninth Mile. The Nigerian Breweries is very close. The 7-Up bottling company is about 6 minutes away from here. Coca-Cola, that's Nigerian bottling company, is also around 10 minutes away from this particular estate, with lots of other factories like the Aquarafa, which is 5 minutes away, just directly opposite Nigerian Brewery, and a lot of other things. The beautiful thing is that Lion Business Park, which is the largest industrial park currently in the southeast and the only free trade zone, is sharing a fence, a boundary with the proposed TheLux Gardens Estate. This estate is going to have good road networks, green area, gardens and landscaping. It's going to be a very beautiful, luxurious estate. So you want to call me now to key in on the pre-launch price of 2.5 million naira before the price goes up to 3 million by January 2024. So call us today so we can bring you to this amazing location. Enjoy a great